Hey, good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Amani Reaction, and if you know you are new to the channel and or you are just a passerby, then you come across this video. If the video is helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow the channel and leave a comment below in the comment section. I will be glad to see your comments. And for today's video, we are going to unbox two things that I got for my camera and from the previous video that I made for my camera. So I got a tripod for the camera because I was searching for a good tripod that I will be working out with whenever I'm going outside for vlogging. So I decided to get this one because you can also use this for telephone and camera itself. And I also get a wireless microphone, which of course the DJI microphone, which of course many people have been advertising about. And I said, okay, let me give it a chance. And you can also, the best part of this microphone is you can also use it for iPhones. So that's the best part. If you are using an iPhone, then you get this one for yourself, then you have to say kudos to you. And yeah, so this is what we are going to unbox together. So stick with me and let's unbox everything together. All right. So now we are going to unbox these two bad boys. First, we go with a mic and let's see what we have inside. Um, I don't know what is inside or not, and what it comes with. You know, I don't know what is stick inside. Let's check out this one. A sticker, just books. Oh, a pause. Wow. Comes with one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, nothing more. Okay, we're gonna put this back in and let's check out all these ones. First, we're gonna check this out and see what is here. Okay, this is the pin that you're gonna plug in through the mic and also through this one. Um, oh, this is for the charging, I think so. It's for the charging. Can use the clip, you can use it like this, or you can use the magnets. It has magnets, so you can use it. This is the power button. I think it needs to be charged. I have no idea. Okay, see, it is on now. So this is the receiver. I think this is the receiver. So if you want to charge it, you just have to put it like this, I think, or I guess, yeah, like this. So you're gonna charge it. So it is nice though. And we also have yeah, this is the receiver. This is what you can definitely connect with your camera, and you just have to stick this on the camera, and you use this, and and also use this on the camera, sorry. You can also put this inside the camera. So, and we have two last things. Filters, pump filters or pop filters. These are all wind pop filters, you know, for the noise cancellation. I think these ones. And yeah, this is for the phone. If you want to connect your phone to, you know, if you want to connect the mic to your phone, I think you can just plug it from this side, I guess, here. Yeah. So that's how you can use this one. So yeah, this is all what we have. We have this. Yeah, so like I was saying before, this is the tripod. Already taken it out of the box. This is how it looks like. It comes with a remote. You can control your phone. If you are using your phone as a camera, you can control it with the remote as well. And if you are using the camera, you can also use this remote as well to control it. And yeah, this is how you can open the tripod. You can just you know, you can just you can just sorry guys, I opened it before. So you can just open it like this, and you can use it as a standard tripod, which of course you can also you know, just like this. You can open it like that, and you can close it, and when you close it, you can use this one to close it as well, to make it sit strong without you know. And you can bring the tripod all the way down like that. So here is where you can hook your phone if it is your phone you want to use. So basically you can use horizontal and vertical as well, you know, because of this one. And I love it. You know, it's really nice. And yeah, hopefully I'm going to enjoy it sometime, or maybe very soon, you know, or maybe very soon I'm going to enjoy it. So if it is for your camera, you can just take off this one and put your camera here. You don't need to take off anything out, but you can just take off this. And this is, I think this is a protection for this screw. So you can just put your camera there, and you are ready to go. Just if you want to use it with your hand, you can just hold it like that. Maybe you want to use it as a standing tripod, you can just open it, and yeah, you know, this is the remote, this is the tripod.